Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. This is one of our favorite reviews that we've been given. We love hearing we are doing a great job as we work very hard for all of our customers, providing the best service possible and listening carefully to their customer needs. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the Internet today. We look forward to talking to you.